Gold IRA setup process for seniors with $100,000 at age 70 years old. At age 70, every dollar counts. For retirees looking to protect their nest egg from inflation and market volatility, a Gold IRA offers a secure, tangible option. By rolling over $100,000 into a Gold IRA, you can shift part of your retirement savings into physical gold, without losing tax benefits. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here's step-by-step process to help you start Gold IRA at age 70 with $100,000. 1. Choose a senior-friendly Gold IRA custodian. Your Gold IRA must be held by a qualified custodian. At age 70, it's important to choose one that makes the process easy and offers personalized support. What to look for: experience with Gold IRAs. Choose a company with a strong track record in handling precious metal IRAs. Simple setup: look for digital onboarding, clear instructions, and minimal paperwork. IRS approval: only work with custodians approved by the IRS to hold Gold IRAs. Support for seniors: prefer companies that offer US-based support and have specialists trained to work with retirees. Clear fees: make sure their fees are upfront, with no hidden charges. 2. Fund the Gold IRA with $100,000. You can transfer or roll over money from an existing retirement account like an IRA, 401k, or 403b. Steps to follow: use a direct rollover. This moves funds directly from your old account to the new Gold IRA, no taxes or penalties. Watch the 60-day rule: if the rollover is indirect, you must deposit the money into your Gold IRA within 60 days. Keep funds separate, only use qualified retirement funds. Don't mix in personal money. Talk about RMDs. At age 70, required minimum distributions, RMDs, may apply depending on your birth year and account type. Tip: don't invest the full $100,000 if you may need some for emergencies. Keep a cash reserve on hand. 3. Pick IRS-approved gold. Not all gold can go into an IRA. You must choose products that meet IRS purity and approval rules. Allowed gold types: Gold American Eagle coins, minimum 91.67% purity. Gold Canadian Maple Leaf coins. Austrian Philharmonic and Australian Kangaroo coins. Gold bars from approved refiners. Storage rules: gold must be stored in an IRS-approved depository. Segregated storage: your gold kept separate, is preferred. Avoid collectible or rare coins, they're not allowed in a Gold IRA. Setting up a Gold IRA at age 70 with $100,000 isn't hard, but it must be done right. Choose a reliable custodian, fund it properly, and pick only IRS-approved gold. This 3-step approach helps protect your savings, fight inflation, and bring peace of mind in retirement. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.